sebeqonde emahhovisi somnyango wezobulungiswa ukuyokwethula izikhalo zabo. Amalungu omkhankaso owaziwa ngeJustice for Anni afaka phakathi ongoti bezomthetho kanti iningi labo elase-UK. Emuva kokulandela leli cala eselidonsa amasonto ayisikhombisa baphikisana nesicelo sokuthi kuchithwe icala elibhekene noShrien Dewani. Sebebhale uhlu olunezigameko abathi sikhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi umehluleli uJaenette Traverso uyenzelela. Kanti-ke sebedlulisele lolu hlu olusayindwe ngabantu abangu-2,500 lokuthi asuswe esikhundleni.
This trial has taken a turn on allowances that were made to the defense. A lot of things were said in this trial on behalf of Mr. Dewani that are as yet untested. But they were said throughout the trial, and they had an influence on the way this trial is playing out.
Enye futhi Inhlangano nayo ayenelisekile ngokaTraverso. Society for Protection of Our Constitution ifaka isicelo sokuthi yenziwe abangani benkantolo. Ifuna leli cala lihlehliswe ukuze izobhekisisa amarekhodi enkantolo. Le nhlangano ke iholwa ummeli uZahir Omar.
A cardinal principle is that justice must not only be done, but must be seen to be done. Objective members of the gallery, including educated journalists, observed the proceedings and were dissatisfied with the sense of impartiality of the learned judge. She is one of the finest legal minds in South Africa. How it escaped her that Advocate Van Zyl and Shrien Dewani waived their rights to apply for a 174 discharge, that is a fraction disturbing. That could well be a ground for a recusal. That, coupled with the observation by members of the public that she was acting partially in favor of the Shrien Dewani legal team.
Ihhovisi likaNgqongqoshe wezobulungiswa selilamukelile lolu hlu kanti lithi uNgqongqoshe uzolibhekisisa ngaphambi kokuthi aphendule. Ngomsombuluko kulindeleke ukuthi okaTraverso akhiphe isinqumo sokuthi ngabe leli cala liyachithwa noma cha enkantolo. Kodwa uma kungahamba njengoba lezi zinhlangano zifisa, icala lingase lihlehliswe.